Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Outlook rules for Microsoft 365 on Windows step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows device. Ensure that you are logged into your Microsoft 365 account. Navigate to the Home tab located in the top menu. Look for the Rules option in the ribbon. Click on Rules, and then select Manage Rules and Alerts from the drop-down menu. In the Rules and Alerts dialog box, click on the New Rule button. Choose a template from the Stay Organized or Stay Up to Date section. For example, select Move Messages from Someone to a folder. Click Next to proceed with your rule setup. In the Conditions list, check the box for From People or Public Group. In the bottom section, click on the underlined People or Public Group link. Select the contacts from your address book or type in the email addresses manually. After selecting, click on Add and then OK. Click Next to move to the Actions step. Check the box for Move it to the specified folder. In the bottom section, click on the underlined specified link. Choose the folder where you want to move the emails and click OK. Click Next to apply any exceptions if needed. If you have no exceptions, just click Next. Name your rule appropriately and specify a name for this rule field. Ensure that Turn on this rule checkbox is selected. Click Finish to save your rule. You will return to the Rules and Alerts dialog box. Click OK to exit the dialog box. Your Outlook rule is now set up and will run automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.